Hi everyone, here is ABS team. This video will teach you how to do credit card payment with deposit. Firstly, click Room for check-in. And take IC or passport to fill in detail and take phone number. And click Market and Source of Business to choose option. And go to Rate Type to click Rate. To save it. In the payment type, just click Option to choose Amex card item. And fill in credit card number. And fill in total amount. In deposit, fill in deposit total amount. And check the tender amount is correctly. And click Done. In here just put card at encoder to issue it. And click Continue. Check in Done here can print it guest registration, print receipt and print deposit receipt. Then click Done. Just click the Just Now check-in room to check the payment. That will be post credit card payment in the folio. Thank you.